नमस्कार, मैं शालिनी गुलियानी, फैकल्टी BA JMC डिपार्टमेंट फ्रॉम टेक्निया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एडवांस स्टडीज़ और आज हम बात करेंगे 7 C's ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में। So there are 7 C's of effective communication which are applicable to both written as well as verbal communication, and these are as follows. First one is completeness. The communication must be complete. It should convey the facts required by the audience. The sender of the message must take into consideration the receiver's mindset and convey the message accordingly. Second is conciseness. Conciseness means wordiness. That is communicating what you want to convey in least possible words without forgetting the other C's of communication. Conciseness is a necessity for effective communication. Concise communication has following features. One is, it is both time saving as well as cost saving. Second is, it underlines and highlights the main message as it avoids using excessive and needless words. Concise communication provides short and essential message in limited words to the audience. Concise message is more appealing and comprehensible to the audience. Concise message is non-repetitive in nature. Third is consideration. Consideration implies stepping into the shoes of others. Effective communication must take the audience into consideration. That is, the audience viewpoint, background, mindset, education level, etc. Make an attempt to envisage your audience, their requirements, emotions as well as problems. Ensure that self-respect of the audience is maintained and their emotions are not at harm. Modify your words in the message to suit the audience need while making your message complete. Features of considerate communication are as follows. Emphasize on you approach, emphasize with the audience and exhibit interest in the audience. This will stimulate a positive reaction from the audience. Show optimism towards your audience. Emphasize on what is possible rather than what is impossible. Lay stress on positive words such as jovial, committed, thanks, warm, heartily, help, etc. Fourth one is clarity. Clarity implies emphasizing on a specific message or great at a time, rather than trying to achieve too much at once. Clarity in communication has following features. One is, it makes understanding easier. Complete, clear thoughts have ideas enhance the meaning of the message. Clear message makes use of exact, appropriate and concrete words. Fifth C of communication is concreteness. Concrete communication implies being particular and clear rather than fuzzy and general. Concreteness strengthens the confidence. Concrete message has following features. It is supported with specific facts and figures. It makes use of words that are clear and that build the reputation. Concrete messages are not misinterpreted. Sixth C of communication is courtesy. Courtesy in message implies the message should show the sender's expressions as well as should respect the receiver. The sender of the message should be sincerely polite, judicious, reflective and enthusiastic. Courteous message has the following features. Courtesy implies taking into consideration both viewpoints as well as feelings of the receiver of the message. Courteous message is possible and focused at the audience. It makes use of terms showing respect for the receivers of the message. It is not all biased. Seventh C of communication is correctness. Correctness in communication implies that there are no grammatical errors in communication. Correct communication has the following features. The message is exact, correct and well timed. If the communication is correct, it boosts up the confidence level. Correct message has greater impact on the audience or readers. It checks for the precision and accurateness of the facts and figures used in the message. It makes use of appropriate and correct language in the message. I hope you understand the topic of 7 C's and communication, and this topic will help you great in the media communication. So do subscribe Technia TV, like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.